Shit, if it's not, it's got to be the El Muchacho, or what? One of the cats, right? The gato. This gato right here. Don't pick me. Okay, I won't. What do we want to play?
Watch the ham! Watch the fucking ham! You subhuman!
I think we might need to freak it out. We might need to do something a little freaky. What this? What's a Ja type song? This one kind of bangs. Uh 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 uh. uh. It's actually such a good game for this hero. We soloing.
I know, man. You worked a long time.
I told you, it is a freaky pick. It's a freaky pick. It's so good.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
I think I know what to go for this game as well. Hey, pause one. Listen, I don't say this often. I don't say this often. For people who know, easy W. Bet one. No point in betting two. Literally no point. If you want to bet two, more points for the winners. Cat? I can't get a cat. My girlfriend's allergic. We have insane combo. And the thing is, we got this guy. This guy is going to go like semi carry anyway.